Hi everyone, I'm Allie, class of 2021.
And I'm Jessica, class of 2019.
We're here right next to Ackerman Student Union. Let's catch you up on what's new with food on campus. Hi everyone, I'm here in Ackerman Student Union with Poria Abbasi, the new CEO of ASUCLA.
Hello to everyone. I'm not only the new addition to the ASUCLA family, I'm also a UCLA alumni from the 80s.
We're here taking a look at our newest option, Veggie Grill, which opened in May. It is vegan, but everyone is falling in love with it. Now let's take a look at our other food options.
As you can see, we also have Rubio's, we have Wolfgang Express, we have Greenhouse, where actually you can go ahead and bring about any type of salads, a salad bar, and different types of choices, which points to the direction of where ASUCLA has been going for the past few years, and very different than the time that I was at UCLA, where we just had sandwiches, burgers, and pizzas. Now the student body is demanding choices, experiences, and also healthier choices, and Veggie Grill again is a perfect example of that. ASUCLA underwent a major remodeling of Ackerman Union. As you can see, we have a new community area where we would like to refer to it as, again, the living room of UCLA, where folks can come in, have a food, have an opportunity to have a conversation, charge up their devices, and again, remember UCLA and this experience for many years to come.
Hello everyone, I'm Jackie.
I'm Allie.
And we're currently standing on the roof of the Court of Sciences Student Center. It may not look like a roof, but it's a green roof.
We're actually standing above the kitchen, so the green grass below us reduces the heat and absorbs the rainwater. We're surrounded by all drought-tolerant plants that also clean the air. We're here on the Court of Sciences dining terrace. We're shaded by all the native plants around us, and so it's a nice place to cool down in the midday sun.
Stepping into the Student Center, the architecture provides a perfect blend between the interior and exterior.
And these large windows also offer a lot of natural light.
We're currently standing in the Court of Sciences Student Center, used to be known as the Bomb Shelter and housed several different vending machines, but now it's a full-service dining area. Our newest addition is Blaze Pizza, in which you can create your own personalized pizza.
I'm here with Kit, class of 94, and we're here in Ackerman Student Union. All right, Kit. Now, when was the first time you came to campus?
I first entered campus in 1980.
Now, when did you spend your time in Ackerman Student Union?
More when I was a student. I was a returning student back in '89, and I took 2 classes a quarter, and I graduated and walked in '94. So we came down to study. I came down with the students, and I was in my 40s, so it was fun.
Hi everyone, we're here in A-Level Ackerman. Now Kit, I've always heard this being called the Cooperage. What does that mean?
I know, years ago I remember it. It was very dark, it was not lit up like this, and I do believe I would hear live music and we would be, or I wouldn't, but the students would be dancing.
Oh, wow.
And it was dark, sort of like a bar environment. But it was packed with students all the time.
Oh, cool. Has anything else changed since you've been here?
A lot. This used to be a video arcade.
Oh wow, that's interesting.
I don't know, maybe 3-4 years ago in my volunteering at the hospital, I was babysitting 3 little children, and I told them, let's take a walk to Ackerman and play video games. Sure enough, we made the walk over here, and there are no video games. It has changed.
No.
So
that must have been a bummer for them.
They didn't want the sushi, they wanted to play video games.
Has anything else changed in Ackerman
So
Student
much,
Union?
so much.
Yeah.
The furniture, obviously, the brightness, but the beauty of it is you still see the students. The students are the mainstay here on campus, and to this day they give me life in my retirement. So.